Now coming to the experimental verification of the dual nature of matter. Actually, the mathematical relationship given by Louis T. Broglie, the relationship between the wavelength and the momentum, was experimentally confirmed by two American scientists who were Davison and Germer. They did a very important experiment. उनकी कोशिश थी कि वो वेरीफाई कर सके the wave nature of the moving electron. So they used the electrons from a heated filament. The electrons from the heated tungsten filament were accelerated through the charged plates. और इन accelerated electrons को fall किया गया on the nickel crystal. It was observed by Davison and Germer that the accelerated electron undergo diffraction. पहली बात तो ये that what is this diffraction? Diffraction is a property of waves in which the waves spread out when they encounter an obstruction. So this diffraction is actually the property of waves. तो हमने ये कहा that the experiment by Davison and Germer was that the accelerated electrons were made to fall on the nickel crystal and these accelerated electrons undergo diffraction like the waves. And this confirmed that electron possess wave nature. So in this experiment, it was verified the wave nature of the electron, an important experiment performed by Davison and Germer.